everybody, it's Bubz. Today I'm super excited with some great news. I'm pretty sure you guys can already tell from the title of this video, but I'm so excited to announce that my lip kits are finally ready. I'm just so proud of the finished product, and it's been no secret that I've been developing a lip kit. I'm just so excited to say that they're finally here. The launch is ready. It has been a bit of a while and it's been a combination of different reasons, but I do believe that one of the biggest reasons is just because I've been a little picky. Out of all the collaborations I've ever done, I've never apologized so much, just because I guess I kept changing my mind. I wanted to make sure the formulation was perfect, and of course the shade. I just remember just saying, trust me on this, I believe that we can make something really good. And I truly believe we did. Obviously I've got so many feelings I want to express, but I will leave that at the end because I'm sure, hopefully, a lot of you guys want to see the product. To kickstart the launch, I am releasing 2 shades. I tried to pick out which is my favorite, and I really couldn't, because I do believe that these 2 shades are such staples in any girl's makeup collection. So I knew, ooh, for packaging, I wanted something that's simple, fresh, but chic. So on the cover, we just have a very clean white background with a Bubzbeauty lip kit in mermaid colors. But then if you pull out the box from the sleeve, that's where all the magic comes. Maybe I'm just being biased, but I really do think the packaging is very stunning. I just love the color and energy that's coming out of it. So we open it up. We have a big mirror, as you can see. We have a liquid lipstick and also a matching lip liner. We're starting off with the lip kit shade that I'm wearing today on my lips. You guys will probably recognize this lip color because it's just been my to-go lip color for the longest time. And the shade is called Girl Next Door. The reason I named the shade Girl Next Door is because this lip kit is pretty much designed for the everyday girl. Like, every girl needs a My Lips But Better shade. And this lip color would just be perfect for every day, like I said, for a date, brunch, or even for a wedding day, just because it's a perfect pinky nude. I really do feel like it's the perfect combination of pink and brown. I love this color because as a nude, it's not too nude. It has a lovely peachy pink finish to it. So it gives my complexion a nice radiant glow. If you have teeny tiny lips like myself, this type of shade would especially be beneficial because it is designed to make the lips look plumper and fuller. When it comes to formulations of liquid lipsticks, we all know that they can be quite drying or patchy. I only apply 1 layer, and as you can see, it's pretty pigmented. It does not feel drying at all. I can 100% say that this formulation is very comfortable. I would have no problem wearing this all day long. Not only is it comfortable, long-lasting, and non-transfer, it actually comes with a blend of antioxidants, including vitamin A and C, to help hydrate, nourish, and condition your lips. Products from IGXO Cosmetics are all vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, and all made in the USA. Your girl has you covered for every day. What about when you mean business? I'm moving on with the next shade. When you've got an everyday shade, of course, you're gonna need something that makes you feel unstoppable, and hence the Unstoppable Lip Kit. If I compare side by side the Unstoppable to Girl Next Door, it may look kind of similar, but they are very different. So as the name Unstoppable suggests, the shade is for you to stand out and appear bold. It's a very unique color. I would say it would be a reddish tangerine. This lip color is designed to add spice and life into your face. With Girl Next Door, I wanted in general the face look balanced, but with Unstoppable, the focal point would be the lips. If I had to describe Unstoppable in 1 word, it would probably be the word chic. Let me go ahead and remove Girl Next Door so I can apply Unstoppable. So I've just lined and filled it in just to give it a slight base. Here we go. Boom. Just coming towards the light so you guys can see a little bit more. Today the makeup I'm wearing is just one of my favorite to-go looks. So you can see I really don't have eyeshadow on. It's pretty much just eyeliner. And what's great about Unstoppable is, of course, it looks nice with eyeshadow, but it's really handy for days when you're just feeling a little low maintenance, you're busy, or you're just feeling a little lazy. So with just eyeliner and Unstoppable, you will still look really sharp. Top one is Girl Next Door. Bottom one is Unstoppable. And when it dries to a nice matte finish. So another question is, Bubz, where can I find these Bubzbeauty lip kits? You can find them on the IGXO website. I will link them down below for you guys. They do ship globally, so it does not matter where you live. For the lipstick and lip liner, they retail at $22.50, but you can use this special promo code Bubz5 for $5 off, making it $17.50. If you don't follow me on my Instagram already, don't forget to do so because I will be holding a lot of giveaways there. I think I've covered everything, but if I haven't, please leave a comment below and I will try my best to get to them. And now for the final part of the video, last but not least, I just want to take a moment to thank each and every single one of you guys for giving me the opportunity once again to create something new. I don't know what else I can say except for thank you, and that I'm so grateful. Sincerely hope you enjoy them as much as I do. But even to those who just watch my videos, that means so much. This lip kit would not be possible without your support. I also want to thank the team at IGXO. Thank you so much for being so patient with me. From the very beginning to the finished product, it's just been such a smooth, albeit a little long journey. Alright, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to continue being unstoppable for the rest of my day. I hope you guys have a fab day and I shall talk to you soon.